watching my Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you an amazing craft that is 3D hand casting. Yes, we can cast our hands. It will look so beautiful and you can keep this as your memory. So to make that we only need two ingredients. That is the molding powder and the casting powder. That's it. So come, let's make it. I will show you step by step. This powder is available in the online or your nearby dental stores. It costs around 200 to 250. So now this is the plaster of Paris. And this cost about 70 to 80 rupees. So altogether it will only be 300 rupees. That's it. So let's get started. So first to make it, we had to take a plastic box like this. You have to put your hand and see that you should not touch in the sides or in the bottom, okay? Then only you have to take that. I have put and checked for me. It came out perfect. Okay, now let's make it. See, this is my sister's hand casting. See how small the little hand is. Like this, I'm going to make my hand. Be careful. Second thing, you had to put oil in your hand, or if you're having Vaseline, you can put that. I'm going to put some oil. I'm taking this much just for applying. For mixing, I am having a whisk and a spatula. So first we are going to put the molding powder in this bowl. I'm going to measure in this tumbler. I have already checked with my hand. It came around 7 tumblers of water. So for the 7 cups of water, we have to add 4 cups of molding powder. Okay, so let's make it. First, let's measure it. Just mix it well, then only the lumps will not form. So now I'm going to add the 7 tumblers of water. We have to start mixing vigorously so that the lumps will be not formed, and you have to mix it within 1 minute. This is just the normal drinking water, not a hot or cold water, just plain drinking water. And you have to just mix it very fast. For the 2 to 3 minutes, you have to stay in the same position. Don't shake your hands. getting hard. இங்க தான் thumb finger இருக்கு நீங்க தொட்ட இடத்துல. This is a dental molding powder only, so it is completely safe for your skin. So 3 minutes it's over. I'm going to slowly take my hand. அம்மா பிடிச்சிக்கிச்சுமா, ரொம்ப டைட் ஆயிடுச்சுமா. Yes! ஓட்ட தெரியல தானே? I am so excited to make this. See, my thumb impression is there. Wow, it is so cute. So now our mold is ready. Now we are going to make the plaster of Paris mixture, that is a casting powder. First, to mix the plaster of Paris, let's take a bowl and put some plaster of Paris. I am just taking about 1 cup. In this, let's add a little bit of water. Let's add 1 tumbler of water, only half tumbler, and let's mix it. It should not be too thinny. It should be the correct consistency, like the dosa batter. While doing with this, we will get everything messy over here. It is better to do in outdoor. There should be no lumps in there. So let's pour it into the molding. Pour it half and just fold it well, so that it will go everywhere. So this will take around 4 to 5 hours to set, but I'm going to leave this for 1 night. So tomorrow I will come and check it, and if it comes same as like that. So today is the next day. I need to see my hand. I'm so excited to see my hand. Before that, we have to scrape that sides. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. நான் பண்றேம்மா. can't paint now. So afterwards